Napoleon's Ascent Linear Premium Fireplace series is just what you need to upgrade your living space. Available in 3 sizes, 42-inch, 46-inch, and 56-inch, this contemporary gas fireplace is called premium for a reason. The included top light can be used when the fireplace is on or off to elevate the ambiance and highlight the stunning media bed. Enjoy an included, barely visible safety barrier, your choice of media, as well as a selection of optional decorative panels. Between your choice of realistic hand-painted log sets including driftwood, birch, and split oak, glass beads or embers, and multiple enhancement media kits, the design options are endless to create a fireplace that suits your style. For your convenience, this fireplace has been designed to be compatible with our eFire Bluetooth app. Connect your mobile phone to control the top light, flame height, blower speed, timer, and more, all at your fingertips. The Ascent Linear Premium offers the option to install a heat management system so you're in control of where the heat goes based on your individual needs. Plus, you can enjoy true design flexibility of your space with the ability to install a TV above the fireplace. With Napoleon's Linear Premium, enjoy the perfect focal point to gather family and friends around.